Can AI replace teachers? The question of whether artificial intelligence AI can replace teachers is both timely and complex. While AI has made significant advances in education, offering tools for personalized learning, automated grading, and virtual tutoring, replacing human teachers entirely presents a range of challenges: ethical, emotional, social, and educational. AI excels in certain areas of teaching. For instance, it can analyze data from student performance to tailor instruction to individual needs, helping students learn at their own pace. AI-powered platforms like Khan Academy, Duolingo, and ChatGPT already support students worldwide by providing explanations, practice problems, and instant feedback. This can be especially valuable in large or under-resourced classrooms where one-on-one attention from teachers is limited. In addition, AI can automate repetitive tasks such as grading tests, tracking attendance, and analyzing performance metrics. This allows educators to spend more time on lesson planning, mentoring, and engaging with students. AI tutors are also available 24/7, making learning more flexible and accessible. However, teaching is not just about delivering content or evaluating progress. Human teachers play a critical role in developing students' emotional intelligence, critical thinking, social skills, and moral reasoning, areas where AI still falls short. A teacher can recognize a student's anxiety, build a personal connection, or inspire curiosity in a way that machines cannot. The classroom is not just a place of information transfer. It is a space for mentorship, encouragement, and human growth. Another concern is the impact of AI on student motivation and discipline. While AI can offer instruction, it lacks the authority and relational presence that teachers provide. Students often perform better when they have a mentor who believes in them, holds them accountable, and understands their personal challenges. These are qualities rooted in empathy, experience, and interpersonal understanding, traits that AI currently cannot replicate. Furthermore, full reliance on AI in education raises ethical and privacy concerns. Questions about data security, algorithmic bias, and unequal access to technology must be addressed before AI can play a larger role in teaching. Not all students have reliable internet access or digital devices, especially in developing regions, which could widen educational inequality. If AI became the primary mode of instruction, rather than replacing teachers, AI should be seen as a powerful assistant. It can support teachers by handling administrative tasks, providing real-time insights into student learning, and offering supplemental instruction. The ideal future lies in a hybrid model where AI enhances, but does not replace, human educators. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to transform education, it cannot replace teachers. The human touch, emotional support, and real-world wisdom